Take a 5mm hex socket and take these bolts out of the cover. There's 4 of them, 2 down here and 2 up there. Just grab the cover and slide it off. Take off the radiator cap before you disconnect the sensor. You just want to make sure there's no pressure in here. Make sure the engine's cool before you take the radiator cap off. So there's no pressure in there, so that's good. You can put the cap back on. Disconnect the connector. This little tab you push down right there. Slide it off. Take a 19mm socket. And loosen this up. You could drain the coolant if you want to. I'm just going to do this fairly quickly so that we don't lose too much coolant. And take that out. You can see we're not going to lose too much coolant. Take the new sensor. You're going to want to put a new washer on there or a new seal. And then just reinstall it the same way the old one came out. We didn't lose too much coolant. And now we'll torque this to 18 foot-pounds. Line the connector up and lock it down. If you drained your coolant, you want to refill that, or if you lost a lot of coolant, you're going to want to top it off. Put the cover back on. Put the bolts back in. Get them all lined up. And snug these down.